Now, how many of you have ever felt like your dating game was all about one night stands rather than long term gains? That's where the gross rent multiplier, also known as GRM, comes into play in real estate. It helps you quickly assess whether you're entering a fling or a long term relationship with your investments. Welcome back, guys. I'm Amit Grover, and today we are unlocking the secrets of GRM to streamline your investment decisions. The gross rent multiplier is a straightforward but potent metric. It measures the cost of an investment property against its gross rental income. To calculate GRM, take the property's purchase price and simply divide it by the annual rental income it generates. Think of it like evaluating a date. You're weighing the effort you're gonna put in against the enjoyment you're gonna get out. Now, don't go crazy. A lower GRM indicates potentially more profitable investment, suggesting that the property could pay off quicker than others. Now, why is this metric indispensable for you? It offers a quick snapshot of an investment's earning potential, cutting through the clutter of detailed financial analysis. This is ideal for comparing several properties swiftly, especially when you're scanning multiple opportunities and trying to make an informed decision promptly. But here's the kicker. GRM alone isn't foolproof. It doesn't account for operating expenses, vacancies, or even maintenance costs, which can all significantly impact your actual returns. Think of GRM as your first impression on a date. It's not the whole story, but it's at least a start. To use the GRM to its full potential, consider it alongside other financial metrics. For instance, a lower GRM can be enticing as it suggests higher return relative to the purchase price. However, you must also assess the location, condition of the property, and local market trends, as these factors can greatly influence the real income potential and might skew that GRM's effectiveness. Now, I would love to hear from you. Have you ever used GRM in your investment strategy? What did it reveal about these properties? Share your stories in the comments below. Let's cultivate a community of informed and savvy real estate investors. In our next episode, we will delve into commercial real estate equity yield. If you're keen on understanding how equity can bolster your investment over time, make sure you don't miss it. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest commercial real estate insights here at ECMP. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay